The question is 60 divided by 5 times 2 inside brackets, bracket closed, plus in brackets 9 minus 3, bracket closed, times 2 according to the PEMDAS rule. P stands for parentheses, E for exponential, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So we'll apply this from left to right. Now, first of all, we'll solve the parentheses. 960 divided by 5 times 2 inside the parentheses, so this becomes 10. Plus 9 minus 3 times 2, let's solve further. 60 divided by 10 plus, if we solve this parentheses, 9 minus 3 becomes 6. We'll solve times 2 further. 60 divided by 10 plus 6 times 2. First priority goes to division, second priority to multiplication, and third priority to addition. So 60 divided by 10 plus 6 times 2. From 60, 10 goes 6 times. Now 6 plus 6 times 2, 6 times 2 will be 12. 6 plus 12, 6 plus 12 will be 18. This is the right answer.